We're doing an unboxing video because my mom and little sister, Goonie, and my dad went on like a trip to buy stuff. So we got all these toys. And we're gonna start unboxing. We got French fries. Alright, let's start unboxing the toys. Alright, we're gonna start smallest to biggest, so this is gonna be Goonies. You want me to open it up for you, or you got it?
I want to open you up.
Okay, do. Let's see what you're gonna get.
I want to get the pink one.
Ah.
Let me see, maybe. Oh man, I have
got a green one.
Oh man, I'm supposed to get the purple one.
You're not supposed to.
This is for my teacher hand, right?
Yeah, it's for your backpack.
Yeah.
We'll open it later.
Okay. Next one. Which
Yeah.
one?
This one.
Oh yeah.
So this is yours, right?
Yeah, this is the little, but it's yours. If you want to pick something, it's yours. I'm picking this one too.
No. Here's our dog.
Oh no.
Okay. Oh.
No.
I don't know if that's good.
Does that hurt?
Right?
Can you pause?
Yeah. I paused it. I made a little bit of it there.
Is this pausing?
Ready?
Is this button
Ready?
pausing?
I'm about to pull it out. 3, 2, 1.
What you got?
What is that? It has like a little electric ball on it. I don't know what this is for.
You have.
It's something.
Okay, my turn to open it for me.
Wait, hold on, there's still more stuff in here.
Oh yeah. Hold on, give me this one.
Hold on, wait. I don't know what this is. This is the back.
Wait, let me see.
Oh, you can open this. So we don't want to do that.
Look.
Oh, there's one more. There's one more. Ready? There's another one. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Look. Oh, look.
Wait, can you he spilled ice cream on his head?
Yeah. Oh, look. Which one you got? About the red things.
So. Okay, so we got. Where is it? Wait, Goody, watch out. We got this one. And we got. I don't know where the other one is.
The ice cream.
Oh, you can open this thing too. So there's the blue
Which one?
That one.
Next, baby. Next one. For me. My turn. We're gonna open the little babies, right? Right here, look. They're so cute.
Yeah. Again?
I spilled. Look.
She actually found good. She's not busy.
Ice cream.
Alright, I made a little hole. I don't know if I can. Did that little hole do nothing?
Nah. I was like this. You see that? And I seen that scared.
Bro.
Now it's here already. She's checking my toys.
There we go.
She's looking at my toys. Okay, now I'm gonna pick one. I'm gonna just look. Okay, hold on.
Hold on, wait. Let me just take these out.
Okay, wait.
Now.
I'm ready. If I'm gonna get a yellow one, we got ice cream. Here we go. And next one, we have a yellow one.
Oh, the other one.
What is it?
It's a triangle.
Oh yeah,
It
it's
has
a
a little
triangle.
face in the back.
Let's put these right here.
Here, look, let me just put them over here. Okay.
Okay.
So Alright. Knock those into it. So, this is the one that Gwynny/Juniper got. It's a Pokemon.
It's mine, Pokemon. It's mine.
And I got Mango from FNAF.
It looks like from Freddy Fazbear's.
Yeah. FNAF Freddy's. Okay. We have...
Open this one, look.
No, not yet. That one's for later.
Oh, yeah.
Alright,
Hold on, let me ask Mom.
just wait. Why is there so many? So we're gonna get all of these out of the way. I'm gonna show you all the ones that we got. We got scissors when you got them, so we're gonna just cut these open. And you can just pour them out. Pass me them. Okay. Give me another one. Struggle is real. Oh, something right there.
It's a little buddies.
What was that?
It's a little buddies. Look at it. Where is
Where did that thing? Oh, there it is.
It's a green one.
Yeah.
Here.
Can't see them yet, but I'll show you this one. Ready?
Corn.
I'm gonna go kind of fast.
Give me them. Corn. Oh, look.
Whoa!
We got the funny one. Oh, my God.
Yo, that one is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one. It's like a panda.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me the point.
I already poured that one out.
Okay.
All these are empty.
Give me
Alright.
all of those babies.
So-
I'm going to show you.
Alright.
Give me all these babies.
Okay, so we already showed you these.
This one's so cool, right?
Yeah.
That's a golden one.
Not really. I don't know. Here's a
Look, the green
Alright.
one. Wait a second, look.
Yeah.
Bunny.
So at first we have this crown one thingy.
And we have this tri one.
We already showed them the triangle.
And we have this ice cream one.
Yeah, it's another ice cream one, but this time he's the clown.
There's a panda or something.
The panda's chilling.
There's like a special star.
Oh yeah, star. I didn't realize.
Yeah. There's like a spaceship.
A pickle or a spaceship?
Oh yeah, it's like, alright, we got another one.
Oh, this is a spaceship.
Panda again.
Another panda, but it's a different color.
I know what the color it is. No, it is.
No.
Hold it.
Heading home.
Sorry, that's just a robot thingy.
Okay, now we have this
Oh.
one. This
We'll show
little
them that later with this one.
means
So we have a blue bunny,
we have a ghost.
like a bomb one,
We have like a bunny.
another bunny, and this one.
Okay,
But now, wait, Gwynny, we're not done. These are the cool ones, right, Gwynny?
which one?
So we have these. This one is a bunny and it has rainbow ears, and this one is like a dinosaur or something.
It looks like a horsey from the ocean. Now let's open it.
And Gwynny got Pinkie Pie and
You got Applejack.
I got Applejack.
Let's open the little baby things. Look, let's open those. It's
So
scissors.
we're gonna start opening these.
Those little babies.
Yeah.
They're gonna be like one of those eggs,
Yeah.
and they're
alright.
gonna be pink.
Yeah.
Okay, let me. Wait a second. Look, we have a baby. We have a baby missing.
Just wait. It's fine. Don't open them yet.
Okay.
Just pour them out. Don't open the eggs.
Okay. Give me. Oh yeah.
I already did it. It's crazy.
Okay.
There you go. Okay. All right, now. Just grab all these. All right.
This is the babies.
Alright, I never had these things before. How do you do it?
Oh.
Do you break them?
No. You can't break them. You just have to go like this, and you just have to wait, and you do it now, and it will be like an animal. Can you help me?
Just wait.
Wait. We can use the scissors. Okay.
Oh yeah, the scissors.
We can. Okay.
How do we do this?
Hold on. Give me this.
What do we do? Do we crack it?
No. Hold on.
Something
Give me.
inside.
Give me.
Hold on, wait.
Be careful. Be careful with the babies.
Did it come out?
No.
I don't get it. There was sound, but now there's no sound.
Can you help me?
I don't know how to do this, Goonie.
Hold on. Look.
You have to go like that?
And it will change the color, and you just have to wait, and you do it. Wait. Do it, and it will be a crack.
So that's
So-
all you do?
Yeah, and you have to be careful. You have to be careful with the babies. Be careful, okay?
I want to open it. How do I do this?
Hold on, you just have to stand it there.
Alright, we'll get back to this later.
No. We just.
Later. It's going to take a while, Goonie, so we're going to do it later. What are the other toys? Oh, that's all?
Yeah.
Alright. Now, this is the toy that Goonie got me. Alright, Goonie. Let's show them. Goonie got me
This.
Yokai.
It looks like little cats. Oh, look, we have a robot one. The robot cat.
Alright. Let's get this open. I don't know how to open.
Aha.
So, their names are Robanian, the robot one. Jibanian, I don't know if that's the name. Whatever, I'll just stick with that. Hi. So, how do we open this? Oh.
I saw this girl snap, and it was magic. It opened all the little eggs. Mom, it's
Mom.
so pretty.
I'm not your mom.
I'm not. Hey, Owen. I saw a girl have these little eggs, baby, and she said, stop, look.
Here you go. We don't need them anymore.
Walk. Please, walk.
Alright.
Don't run.
Oh, look, I saw this girl have eggs, and she said, stop, look. Open.
Alright. Watch out. Watch out.
I'm looking for the trash.
Winnie, stop. We have to open this. Get back. Come on. We're not picking up trash yet. Okay.
Let me see all of those, okay? Okay?
Alright. Look.
I know it. I'll put these right here, okay? Ooh. Okay.
Look at this. Look.
Little guys.
Alright. Just wait. Wait. It has to stay. No, Winnie, let me do it. It's my turn.
Like,
Alright. Winnie, leave it. Leave it. Alright, so first we have this. I don't even know what it is. Okay, so we have these. Wait. They have these rubber bands on them, so I don't really know how to do this. Technical difficulties. Alright guys, we got it open, and that's our trash bag over there for all the trash that we have. So yeah, so the first things I want to show you is this, because it's the most lamest thing there. I don't know really what it's for, but yeah. And then now we have all these button thingies. They have QR codes on the back. They're QR codes. I'll scan them soon, but like, yeah. So here are all of them. So first we have the original character thingy. Now we have this spiky one. We have the robot one. Now we have this dark one, or Rockstar. Okay, so first the original. Boom. He's right next to his button. He can stand up. This guy can stand up by himself like that. Yeah, he can stand up by himself. All the other ones can. But and now we have this spiky one. He can stand up too. They all can stand up by themselves. But now we have this one, which is like my second favorite. I don't really know which one. He has a little hand. He grabs you. You're dead, I think. I don't know. And now we have the Rockstar one.
Dada, look.
It's like a little DJ or something. Yeah. Alright guys, that's going to be all for today's video. And so first we have this picture. I took a picture of all of them. So there's that one. There's the Splatoon one. There's the keychains. And here's the most best photo. It's like all of them. That's all, yeah. Oh. So anyway, the one that's on my camera. So yeah. And they're all right here. I don't know if you can see them really. Okay, that's all. Bye. One more time.